we went to play tennis. I want to give you guys a tip. If your child with autism does not like playing sports, it could be any child really, but I'm referring to Williams because he is not a sports person. So I want to give you tips. I want to give you tips on what you can do to get them to at least even try. Because with Williams in the beginning, he wasn't trying even at all. So we tried when I tried what's it called? Football? Soccer.
No, soccer.
Yeah.
That's soccer.
Yeah, it's called football in Nigeria. But when I tried soccer, Wells did
It's
not
called
do well.
football everywhere but America.
Okay. And Wells did not do well because he just did not understand the whole team concept, right? So he did not do well with that at all. Or basketball. So I decided we should try like a solo sport. So we started trying tennis. But in the beginning, Wells, because we would throw the ball at him and he couldn't hit the ball, he was always throwing a tantrum because he couldn't hit the ball and then he would give up, right? He'll just try once or twice. He's not hitting the ball, and then he'll give up. So this is a tip for you guys. This is what I did. I'll tell him, and you can start small. You can start as small as, okay, let's try to hit the ball 5 times before you even scream 1 time, and you will get a reward. So whatever your child likes, you can give them that as a reward if they try to hit the ball 5 times. And I'm saying you can use this for any sports. It's just an inference. So with Williams, what we did was try to hit the ball a number of times without screaming, because what the screaming does, what the tantrum does, is that it just builds discouragement for them, right? So, but if you tell them, okay, just focus on hitting the ball 5 times, even if you don't hit the ball, but you try 5 times, or you try 10 times, or you try 20 times, whatever the stage your child is in, if you try doing that without throwing a tantrum, without forcing, without screaming, then you get at the time that we started, Wells liked fruit snacks, so I would do fruit snack. But right now
it's iPad.
Yeah, right now when he's learning a new skill in tennis, it's I will take 30 minutes off your iPad time if you scream without having to try a certain number of times. So so today he was learning to bounce the ball on the racket, and I wanted him to bounce the ball 20 times. And he kept becoming frustrated because he would bounce and it would be like 3 bounces and the ball would fall off. So he would get frustrated. And I told him, okay, listen, if you haven't tried this thing 100 times, right? Remember Einstein? Was it Einstein that created the bulb? I feel so dumb right now.
No, Albert Einstein.
That's
was the world's smartest person.
Well, he's the one that created light bulb.
No, was he?
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, and he tried, I think they said 1,000 times. So I told him, you haven't tried 100 times for you to even throw a tantrum, right? So let's try it. How many times did I say you should try it? And then we can stop. Oh, I didn't give him time because it was like, okay, how many times should I try it? But I noticed that when I say, okay, try to bounce the ball 5 times or 10 times, he just, and then 2, 3, he doesn't give it his best. So I'm like, okay, I'm not going to tell you how many times, but just try as many times as possible to bounce 20. And then if I see you trying, then you're fine. You don't even have to bounce 20, which is fine because at this stage, he doesn't have to have a number. Depending on your child's stage, when we first started, he had to have a number. Okay, let's try this 20 times without you throwing a tantrum, and then you get some fruit snacks, and then you get more iPad time, that kind of thing. So basically, that's the tip I'm going to share. I hope that helps somebody.
And also, just so you know, another tip: if you take your dog out to tennis, and especially if he's 1 or under, he will pass out at home.
So is this a tip for having your dog work out?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
And also getting less work for your dog. So tip: if you want to have less work, and you have a dog, just take him out, play tennis, make him run around, and then at home he'll pass out. Yeah,
because he follows the ball as you throw the ball. Yeah, it's a great workout for him. When he comes home, he just passes out. Wells, do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to add? What's your own tip? Because you're just quiet.
Yeah, it's just been quiet.
Why are you quiet. Why are you quiet?
William, why are you blocking me?
All right. So, Wells, do you have any tips for if somebody's learning a new skill? What's your tip?
You have any tips?
What the hell is that?
I'm just tired.
You're just tired. You're tired like Wesley.
Are you gonna pass out like Wesley? And he just passed out. All right, guys. Bye. We're all gonna pass.
It's so silly. My friend. Okay. So
When people play, they should not give up. When
That's
people
your
play
tip?
tennis, you should not give up.
okay, so when you're learning a new skill, don't give up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a good tip. Okay.